Kung pangutanon ko asa mi gaila, well, ang wala jud ko'y matubag na kanus college. Kay sugod nagkabuot ko, kaila na gyud ko niya since kinder, classmates man mi sa kinder. So mao to, hantod sa high school, college, then same pud mi og barangay. So kaila na gyud mi daan.
Buta mo og grade 4, grade 6. Sige na mig kaubag dula, dahil mabilin nami pa si paniudto sa room. Nagkabati ko og kuan, tawag nila og crush. Wato crush.
Hi, girl, you just caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try and get your name and your number. Go grab some lunch and eat some cute.
Kita mo dyan yung ni chat.
Siya, hi, Musta.
Musta.
Dili esa, Z.
Musta. Tapos di mo reply.
Wala siya na ko gi-reply.
Agoy. Very good ka itong gabi ka.
Siyempre kaila raman mi sa, 'di ba, sim raman gyud tag lugar. Wala pa ko na-attract niya pagka siguro nagsugod na jud ka college. Oo. Nga nagpa-cute na siya. Charot. Nagpapugi-pugi na siya. Gamay lang. Charot. Madala ra. Charot.
You and I could be like Sunny and Cher, honey and bears, oh. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen like la 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 la
I'll be honest, there were moments I questioned if our love was worth the challenges, the distance, the misunderstandings, and the days of missing you felt heavy at times. But every time, doubt crept in my heart. Every fight, every tear, every sacrifice was worth it because it led me back to you, to us, to this moment where I got to choose you for the rest of my life.
Better than Aladdin and Jasmine, we've made it happen, singing la 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 la.
I look forward to a lifetime laughter and love growing old together. Always strive to be the best version of my
So
son.
beautiful on our wedding day.
Thank you kay naabot na ni nga time nga atong gi-imagine nga kaslunta o karon niabot na gyud after 8 years. Dayon, salamat sa tanan sa mga pagsabot.
I wanna stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever until the sky falls down on me.
Walay forever nga iya sa tawo. Kay ang gugmang tawhanon is very conditional. Maunang ko nakabantay mo, ug pangutanon mo, nganong kana man gyud siya'y imong gihigugma, you have all the reasons. Patakdi ang inyong gugma sa Diyos.
I'll be a dream, I'll be a wish, I'll be a fantasy. I'll be a hope, I'll be your love, be everything that you need. I love you more with every breath, truly, madly, deeply do. I will be strong, I will be faithful, 'cause I'm counting on a new beginning. reason for living, for deeper meaning.
Dili na ko ka-promise na I'll be a perfect wife. Of course, we are never really perfect. But I'll try my best to build a home where our future children, even if dako na sila, they will always long our home.
And when the stars are shining brightly in the velvet sky, I'll make a wish, send it to heaven, then make you wanna cry. The tears of joy for all the pleasure and the certainty.
Standing here in this church, I can't help but remember our baccalaureate mass. We walked down this aisle as students back then, never knowing that years later, I would walk here with you, waiting for me at the end.
I wanna stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever until the sky falls down on me. Until the sky falls down on me.
Ingon sila, sayang ra ang kadako sa kalibutan kung imong mabana kay imong silingan. Itong una, syempre nakabasa ko ana na quote. Wala lang, katawa ako. Wala ko nag-expect na kani day na quote ma-apply day sa ako. I am grateful that I get to walk through this life with you. My best friend, my love, my forever. I love you.
Until the sky falls down on